Hi, welcome back to my channel, Savannah Bananas Variety Show. Today is a taste test, and we're just taste testing these chips I saw. I don't know how new they are or how old they are, but they new to me. So maybe they'll be new to somebody out there that wants to know what they taste like before they buy them. All right. So this one is called Fried Pickles with Ranch. And we'll try this one first. Oh, and I got my drink over here. My orange tropical fruit Gatorade. All right. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Mmm. Mmm. Here we go. My husband was looking at me. Mmm. Mmm. I did not bless this food. And you didn't even tell me. Here we go. Thank you, dear Lord. Amen. Because I'm thankful. And it was good. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah, I'm liking that. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah, I'm liking that one. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. That one's for me. Yeah, I like that. Mm-hmm. 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 I'm gonna clean my palate before I try this one. But this one for me is a winner. Oh, I love that. Gatorade. Here we go. Bacon wrapped jalapeno. Hey, baby. Very nice. Okay, I can't even get up in this one. Whew. That one don't smell as good as this one. Let's see. Mm. Mm. No. It's not nasty, but it's got like a smoky taste. I guess that's supposed to be the bacon flavor. It don't taste like bacon. It smells like smoke flavor. It's not spicy. I ain't catching no jalapeno. I'm assuming that's supposed to be cream cheese. This one just tastes like a smoky something. I don't even know what. Not nasty, but not the greatest. And would I buy it again? No. It's not nasty. I'm pretty sure it will get eaten by me. But would I buy it again? Mm-mm. Would I buy this again? Mm-hmm. I sure would 100%. I will buy this again if they keep it on the market. And Love that Gatorade. Orange, tropical fruit. Fierce. These chips are on sale at your local Walgreens. 2 for $5 with your card. With your Walgreens discount card. Just in case anybody wants to know. This one is good. This one is... It's not nasty, but I wouldn't pay for it. If somebody gave it to me, I'd eat it, but I wouldn't pay for it. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope everybody has a beautiful, beautiful, blessed day. Bye-bye.